Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the netting closely so you know if cleaning alone will work. This matters because yellowing from dirt behaves differently than UV damage. Next, put on gloves and tape leather edges to prevent solvent contact. Use a soft brush to remove surface grime, then dip a cotton swab in 90% isopropyl and gently roll it over a hidden corner to test for color fastness. Once the patch passes, begin swabbing the visible yellowed panels in small overlapping passes. Now that the patch test is good, escalate carefully to a mild bleaching mix to lift deeper yellowing. Mix hydrogen peroxide with a pinch of baking soda for slight abrasiveness. Apply that mixture with a swab only on the plastic netting, working in tiny sections. The why is simple: controlled application prevents plastic distortion and leather harm. After a minute or two, neutralize by dabbing with a damp microfiber and blotting. Make sure to air dry the shoe in shade to avoid heat warping the net. Finish by applying a thin coat of a plastic-safe clear restorer to even the sheen and protect against future yellowing. Use a soft brush and feather the edges so it blends with the mesh. Once done, let the sealer cure fully for at least 24 hours before wearing. This ensures adhesion and clarity. If stubborn yellowing remains, repeat the gentle treatment after 48 hours. But if the net becomes brittle or starts cracking, stop and consider net replacement or professional repair to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.